In this guide, I'm gonna show you guys how to go AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. Let's get started. This is the newest and best method for 2025 and it works in any Roblox game. To make this work in PC, we are going to use a free program called Tiny Tax. It's completely safe and has been used by tons of players and creators. Launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website. Now go ahead and download the latest version. Once you have downloaded it, launch it. Now here's how to set it up. Open your Roblox, then launch your Tiny Task. Click the record button, do some small actions in Roblox, move around, jump a few times, then click record again to stop. Now go into preferences and turn on continuous playback. That way Tiny Task will loop your actions forever, keeping your account active in the game. Click the play button and you'll see it repeat your movements automatically. Your character will keep moving so Roblox won't kick you for being idle. To stop Tiny Tax, press F8 on your keyboard. If you want to change the hotkeys, just go to Playback hotkey and set your preferred key. And that's it. That's a new way to go AFK in Roblox without getting kicked. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.